Does anybody know still what 6+7 is? So today we're going to do another Trickshot video. Do you guys if you know the answer of 6+7, tell me in the comments. Alright, I think. So, anyways, let's start off with the trick shots. Anyways, this one is much harder than the two. Added a new pan to it. Just move this pan closer. I'll just run out of this. I'll just somehow. But still know what 6+7 is? Tell me in the comments. The balls are right there. I really need to. Okay, you're right there. All right, I'm going to end. I'm going to end at 8, so I'm going to end at 8 o'clock. Yeah. If you still know what 6+7 is, tell me in the comments. If you get the right answer, I'll heart your comments. Alright, time to go back to trick shots. Alright, I'm sitting. I'm just going to move this just a little bit. I really still don't know what 6+7 is. If you get the right answer, I'll heart your comment. Oh, made for this pan. I need to make it to this cup. There's like a really rare chance it can wait for the second pan again. Okay, I think we still need to put the cup there. I'll just move the pan closer. And move the cup. Start off with these. Oh, you almost hit that pan. Just butter with that. Whoa. Oh wait, you right past the spot. Guys, have to put this back in the bucket. And you passed, so done. Done. Anyways, okay, I got water balls here. Anyways, wait, okay, I have one more ball to pick up. The train ended already. Okay, time for the trick shot again. I'll just move this so I can see the sign. Oh, it hit the fan, but it didn't hit the second one. That's not. I'll just switch pans. Okay, there, I switched pans. Oh, hit the second pan. Last time we did this, it made it in the cup up for like a 100th time. It'll hit the second pan, but not that. Okay, good. Oh no. I think this pan is a little bit too big. Alright, okay, we ran out of balls. Time to pick up some. Alright, one close to the dragon game. Well, that's a rare spot. We just put these ones. We're going back to the first trick shot tomorrow, so alright. Don't pass the triangle, guys. Anyway, we won't be in this bucket. You'll be trick shotted. Okay. I'll hit the second pan. I'll just put it back in the middle. If you still know what 6 plus 7 is, answer. Answer in the comments. If you get the right answer, I'll help you cut it. It goes this way, so we might have to move this. I'll just move it. Okay, you passed the triangle. And you pass the triangle. You pass the triangle. 3 of you guys pass the triangle. These of you guys pass the triangle. Alright. If you still know what 6 plus 7 is, type in the comments. If you get the right answer, I'll halt your comment. So, okay, good. Cool. So, oh, hit the serpent! Wow! Cool. But I didn't make it in the cup. Alright. Pick up balls. The easiest way is you have to do this. Don't hit all the pans. Just like in the 50th try, hit all 3 pans. Anyways. Alright. Oh, whatever. Okay, 2. I have 6 comments, or I have 7 comments already. So I'll still have 15 minutes of this video left. So, anyways, okay, do the trick shot. Ping pong, ping pong. The only thing that can make it is this. Oh, well, that was a spam. Anyways, join in the triangle. Alright, 2 balls. Oh, hit the second one, it did it. Oh, it did hit the first one. Yeah! Invested. Okay, 2 of you guys hasn't passed. Alright, this ball, you passed the triangle. If you pass the triangle, you'll be turning 4. Okay, it hit both pans, but it did hit 3 in the 65th attempt. Alright, you got in the triangle, so you're safe. 2. He also picked up because he passed the triangle. Oops, stepped on a ball. Alright. Uh-oh. 1 ball to pick up 4 balls. We got more balls. I'll just back it up a little bit. All of you passed the triangle. Yay. Bam. Bam. Right. Stain. That's insane. Alright. 3 balls past the triangle. 2 balls past the triangle. Booyah! You guys do that. We still haven't got in the triangle. What the heck? Oh, there we go. I'm going to go in the triangle. Be careful, guys. So to have space for it. There, we got 2. You did really so bad, guys. Done. Want a box of keys. Anyways, let's go check on there. Alright, no balls left. Time to continue with the trick shot. I'll show you guys as a triangle. Alright, this spot is open now. If you don't want to go over there, too gross. Anyways, time for the trick shot. Yeah, trick shot. You got it in my pants. It's too late. You already went to the triangle. Get in the triangle or you're going to get back in the bucket. Oh, I hit the second pan almost. Anyways. Hit the second pan, but I didn't hit the first one. You almost went to the stinky, gross alleyway. Oh, yeah. I'm going to move over there soon. No. Alright. Stop with this and alright. Alright, you're in the triangle now. Now you're good. I'll put the sign back up for you guys to answer. You still know what 6 plus 7 is? If you know the answer, type it in the comments. If you got it right, I'll heart your comments. Let's see what time it is. Okay, I have 9 more minutes of my video left. But you still know what 6 plus 7 is. If you know the answer, type it in the comments. If you got it right, I'll heart your comment. Yeah. If you got the answer right, I'll heart your comment. And I'm going to change the board soon. Answer quickly. Before I change the equation problem. But if you type 6, 7, I'll delete your comment. Oh wait, that's a neat thing to do. I guess we can keep the comment. But still know what 6 plus 7 is. Type it in the comments. If you got it right, I'll heart your comment. Anyways, let's go find some balls. I think I'm going to go over there and pick up some balls. I'm just going to pick up the ones from the key. I'm just just going. Anyways. Alright. I'm using this cup. If it's full, I'm going to bring it. Just one use, and then we can go back. But it doesn't account if I make it. I didn't make it. Yeah, I'll just need to carry these and put them inside. Alright, you're not picked. If you're not picked, go back in the triangle, or you're going to be picked. Back in the triangle. I'll place the cup back where it goes. Anyways, trick shot time. Oh, hit 3 pans somehow. Oh, hit the 3rd pan. Great. I hit all 3 pans, but I didn't make it in the cup. I'll just make it a little bit neat. I'll check the recording. Alright, that's perfect. I just need everyone to see that. So I'm just going to put it there. Good. Anyways, here are these. You were picked because you passed the triangle. Go back in 3 seconds or you're going to be picked. Alright, back into the triangle. You guys need to go back to the triangle or you're going to be picked. No! I didn't make it. Now you got picked because you didn't make it on the triangle on time. No, I don't want to be picked. Now it's too late. Stop with the argument and get back to the trick shot. Let's see how many minutes do we have left. Alright, we still have 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. And then I'll end the video. Yeah, but do you still know what 6 plus 7 is? Type it in the comments. If you got the answer right, I'll heart your comment. It's a really nice thing to do to heart comments. So to plan that. Oh, 1 made it to the 2nd hand. Alright, you need to make it into the triangle in 3 seconds. No way. I'm no way. Alright, one second remaining. No. Yes. Oh, everyone made it to the triangle except the ones right here. So you picked both of you guys. Alright. Anyways. Let's go just explore. You picked because you got out the triangle. No! The bucket is really wet. We might have to wash it after this video. Yeah, let's see how many minutes be good. That not might be good. Drink. No, I didn't see sign. No. If there would be a special train, I would be sad. I would cry. Alright, let's go back to the Trickshot. Oh, wait. Because he didn't make it to the circle, to the triangle 3 seconds. Anyways, you're picked. Three. Oh, you made it. 3, 2, 1. You didn't make it to the bit. That was so close. 3, 2, 1. Correct. Because you didn't make it in here, not in time. Oh, you made it to the triangle. Oh, no! You're the only one picked. Made it. Alright, everyone made it. Anyways, 6 plus 7 is... I'm going to reveal the answer when the last video of that question. The last video might be... I'm going to reveal the answer in just a little bit. Let's see. Alright, it's 8 o'clock already. That means I'm going to end it. Well, bye guys, subscribe too. If you know it, the right answer is tomorrow. Anyways, subscribe.